If you want a sport utility vehicle in 2026 that doesn't eat you alive in repair bills, this list is your new best friend. Using the latest reliability data from Consumer Reports, plus long-term durability studies from sites that track high-mileage vehicles, I've pulled together 12 sport utility vehicles that stand out as rock-solid bets going into 2026. We'll count them down from number 12 to number 1, and I'm willing to bet you'll recognize the top spot. If you are considering any of these vehicles, the smart move is to make dealers compete for your business by using quotes.everymandriver.com. There's also a direct link below this video. It's a free search engine to see the lowest advertised prices in your area. Also, do me a favor and take 2 seconds and hit that subscribe button. I've been doing this since 2012, and it really helps support this channel. I appreciate it. Number 12 is the Kia Sorento Hybrid. The Sorento Hybrid is right in between a compact sport utility vehicle and a big family hauler. It gives you an available third row, solid fuel economy, and better than average reliability in the latest data for midsize sport utility vehicles. Why it makes the list? It uses a proven hybrid system, not experimental first-generation electric tech. Owners report fewer major drivetrain and electronics problems than you see in a lot of rival three-row crossovers. For families, it is one of the few hybrids where you can still squeeze kids into the third row without going full size. The trade-offs. The third row is tight, and Kia's long powertrain warranty is amazing for the first owner, but much less generous once the vehicle changes hands. How to shop it smart. Compare the Sorento Hybrid against the gas-only Sorento and rivals like the Toyota Highlander on real out-the-door pricing at quotes.everymandriver.com. Sometimes the hybrid is actually cheaper to own once you factor in fuel and incentives. Number 11, Subaru Crosstrek. Subaru built its reputation on simple hardware that just works, and the Crosstrek is a textbook example. What makes it a safe bet? The engines and all-wheel drive system are mature and well understood, not wild new experiments. Owner surveys show very few major engine, transmission, or in-car electronics issues compared with a lot of other small crossovers. It is popular with people who actually keep cars for a long time, not just lease and flip them. If you want a compact sport utility vehicle that can handle winter, gravel roads, and a long commute without drama, the Crosstrek is one of the easiest recommendations in the segment. Before you let a dealer sell you a bunch of protection add-ons, plug your zip code in at the link below and see what a realistic payment looks like across a few different trims. Number 10, Mazda CX-5. This is one of the rare sport utility vehicles that actually feels good to drive and still scores very well on reliability. Why it earns a spot, Mazda has been refining this platform instead of completely reinventing it every few years, and that usually means fewer surprises long term. Owner feedback points to solid engines and transmissions with relatively few major failures in the big-ticket categories. The cabin quality and driving feel make it easier to justify keeping it for 8 to 10 years. If you're torn between a CX-5 and something like a Honda CR-V or a Toyota RAV4, the CX-5 is the one that feels more premium than it costs. Just make the dealer competition real by pulling side-by-side offers at quotes.everymandriver.com. Number 9, Toyota Venza, hybrid only. The Toyota Venza flies under the radar, but from a reliability standpoint, it is a sleeper hit. It is a hybrid-only two-row sport utility vehicle built on Toyota's very mature hybrid hardware. What stands out? One powertrain, tuned for efficiency and long life, not for racing. Fewer major problems reported in the engine, hybrid system, and transmission than many rivals. It is basically a Camry hybrid in sport utility vehicle form, and those parts are some of Toyota's most proven hardware. The downside? It is not exciting, but if you want a quiet, comfortable commuter that will just keep doing its job, the Venza is very hard to fault. Number 8, Lexus NX Hybrid. Step up into Lexus, and the NX Hybrid is one of the safest compact luxury choices you can make. Why it is here? It shares Toyota hybrid technology, which has a long track record of going high miles with minimal drama. Owner surveys show fewer serious problems across the engine, hybrid system, and electronics than you normally see in a luxury sport utility vehicle. Lexus tends to roll out new tech more slowly, which often means fewer software glitches than the brands that chase every new gadget. If you want leather, quiet cabins, and a badge upgrade without turning your life into constant service visits, the NX Hybrid is one of the least stressful ways to do it. Number 7, Honda CR-V. This is one of those SUVs people buy, forget about, and then realize 10 years later it is still going strong. Why it remains a go-to simple, efficient 4-cylinder engines and well-sorted transmissions that Honda has been refining for years. Owner feedback is full of just regular maintenance stories and very few catastrophic engine or transmission failures. The interior is packaged so well that families tend to keep these instead of trading out every 3 years. If you're the type who wants to buy once and relax, the CR-V is still one of the easiest recommendations for 2026, especially in hybrid form. Number 6, Toyota Highlander and Highlander Hybrid. The Highlander is the default answer for a lot of families who want 3 rows without going to a huge, full-size truck-based sport utility vehicle. Why families love it. Hybrid versions deliver big fuel savings without any strange driving behavior. Owner surveys report relatively few engine, transmission, or electrical failures compared with many other 3-row crossovers. It feels normal to drive, not too big, not too small, which makes it easy to live with for a decade or more. If you're deciding between the gas Highlander and the hybrid Highlander, let the math decide. Put both into quotes.everymandriver.com and look at real monthly payments and estimated fuel savings side by side. Number 5, Lexus RX Hybrid. The RX is their best-selling sport utility vehicle for a reason, and the hybrid versions are the sweet spot. Why this one matters? The hybrid powertrain is built to prioritize smoothness and long life more than headline power numbers. Owner surveys show low rates of major drivetrain failures and fewer electronic nightmares than a lot of other luxury brands, and cabin quality is high enough that an older RX still feels nice inside, which makes owners more willing to keep them for a long time. If you want a luxury sport utility vehicle that you can realistically plan to keep for 10 to 15 years, this is one of the safest choices on the market in 2026. Number 4, Toyota Land Cruiser. The new generation Land Cruiser coming back to the United States is riding on decades of reputation. Older Land Cruisers are famous for going well past 250,000 miles when they are maintained. Even though this new model is fresh, it has big built-in advantages. It uses Toyota's global body-on-frame platform, designed to handle rough use all over the world. Early reliability data already looks strong for a newly reintroduced model. Toyota has a long history of overbuilding these for places where the nearest dealer might be very far away. Is it overkill for simple suburb duty? Yes. But if you want something you can keep for a decade or two and you are willing to pay for it, the Land Cruiser is overbuilt in all the right ways. Number 3, Lexus GX. The latest GX modernizes the interior and technology, but under the skin, it is still very much a Land Cruiser style, body-on-frame sport utility vehicle with a reputation for lasting a very long time. Older models rank extremely high in long-term durability studies, and the new one follows that same idea. Why it ranks so high? It is built on a rugged platform that puts toughness and longevity ahead of softness. Reliability predictions are above average in a large luxury sport utility vehicle class where many rivals struggle. Lexus's careful approach to new technology usually means fewer giant software and electronics problems than some German competitors. It is not cheap and it is not great on fuel, but if you want luxury and long-term durability in the same package, the GX is one of the best bets you can make. Number 2 is the Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 family is basically the default compact sport utility vehicle for a huge part of North America. And it is not just because it sells well. Why it is so high on the list: the platform is mature and Toyota has had time to fix the early issues. Owner surveys show low rates of serious engine and transmission issues compared with a lot of newer, more complex rivals. The hybrid version, especially, gives you a great mix of fuel economy, resale value, and simple, just keep up on maintenance ownership. Now, at the very top of the list at number 1 is the Subaru Forester, and this is not hype. It is backed by data. In the latest breakdown of small sport utility vehicles, the Forester earns one of the highest reliability scores of anything on the chart. Why it is number 1, owner survey data shows very few serious issues across engine, transmission, in-car electronics, and climate systems. Subaru does not chase wild powertrain experiments here. The Forester is built to be simple, predictable, and durable, which is exactly what long-term owners want. Its combination of all-wheel drive, great visibility, practicality, and reliability makes it a crossover people actually keep instead of dumping at the end of a lease. If your main requirement for a sport utility vehicle in 2026 is, I want this thing to still feel solid in 2036, the Subaru Forester is about as close as you get to a sure thing in the normal, non-luxury world right now. Big takeaways for 2026 sport utility vehicle shoppers. Looking across all the data, a few patterns stand out. Toyota and Lexus dominate the top of the reliability charts, especially with their hybrid models. Subaru quietly builds some of the most dependable everyday crossovers on sale, especially the Forester and the Crosstrek. A handful of well-designed hybrids, such as the Sorento, Venza, RX, and Highlander, give you better fuel economy and better reliability than a lot of traditional gas-only rivals. If you want to avoid living at the service department in 2026, here's the simple play. Shortlist 2 or 3 sport utility vehicles from this video that truly fit your life. Go to quotes.everymandriver.com and pull real dealer offers for each one in your zip code. Compare actual selling prices, not just the sticker price or the monthly payment someone scribbled on a note in the finance office. Start with reliability, then shop the deal, not the other way around.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest insights from the automotive world. Hope to see you next time.
One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
You can save $50 right now on the Nuvio Recovery Chiller. It works with any tub, bathtub, cold tub, indoors or out. Just plug it in, set the temperature, and start plunging. Use my code below and grab your deal today. Want to save 5% on your very own at-home barrel sauna? I've partnered with Almost Heaven to hook you up. This has been a game changer for my recovery and daily routine. Use my code and link below and start sweating smarter. You can save 5% on the red light panel that I use every week. This platinum LED Biomax works anywhere, bedroom, gym, recovery room, and is packed with science-backed benefits. Use my code below and start feeling the difference today.